2.6.
Yeah, that worked, but it didn't make it that big. You know, a regular sawmill might do that. For that big of a tree, that should have been a lot bigger. I've seen bigger ones come out from the same size of tree. I just don't like modern sawmills. They're not consistent. It doesn't always work. Yeah, it'll take a big tree, but it doesn't give you that. You could have got more wood if you would have cut the tree up.
Why? Why? Okay, why?
Do you have 2 sawmills, dude? Or who wanted to mod it?
Yeah.
Well, he has that big wall one. And then he
No, I
has
found
that
another.
one. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There is a new one. My son's worried about that. I forgot about that sawmill. He said, my son said it sucked, but it didn't do anything different.
So,
I haven't played since
my
it's
bird's
been in the
reactions
game.
are.
I put my dad's phone in.
Can you mod this one?
What?
I put
Don't break it.
They won't.
I wonder if this can mod
If
it.
they bite it.
Huh. That's
Here,
weird.
can you teach me how to do this?
Yeah.
okay, wait, listen.
All you gotta do is both place it in the same place and buy a hatch and put it in there and you're set. It just takes 2 people to place it in the same place.
Here, I'll do yours differently than mine, so.
And I've tried like 15 or 20 times placing in the same place before I actually got it a few times.
Wait, keep it back there, 2.8 and 2. Yeah, okay, now they're good.
You guys already.
Yeah, what do I do?
Like,
You guys have to
okay,
both.
one sec.
You have to both pick it up and place it at the same time. Count down 1, and count down 1, 2, 3. You place it in the same exact spot.
Okay, you get that sawmill and I'll get this far one. You get that far one and I'll get this one. Okay, we have to set it in the same place you had yours.
Thank you, Matt.
Okay. Try and get into the place where it was. Okay, I got it set.
Come on, dude. I'm trying to do this stuff.
Yeah, it's hard, dude. Sometimes it's hard. Try and zoom out a little bit. Zoom out if you're away from first person. It gets easier.
Alright, I got it.
Alright, you guys gotta place at the same time. You gotta count down 1, 2, 3 and place.
Alright, ready? 1,
Hey.
2.
Wait, is he listening?
Are you listening? Alright.
Alright, then.
1, 2, 3.
It looks like it worked.
It did
First
work.
time.
2.2.